Hi, today we are here to talk about the Portachill,
A mini thermoelectric chiller by Tropicool.
The Portachill I have here is a 5-liter personal chiller that can cool down to 23 degrees Celsius below the room temperature, which is by all means the most efficient chiller in its range.
It comes with a magnetic locking door. The cooling compartment is large enough to support quicker contact cooling. It also comes with 2 power cords, one for home use and one for your car. It's very compact and sits beautifully on the tabletop of your office, gym or room. The Portachill is a very versatile product which can be used to store your cold beverages at work, crucial medication like insulin, fresh fruits, dairy products, or your baby's food on a long journey. You can even keep your home cooked meals warm in the warmer mode.
For best results, always pre-chill the Portachill for 1 to 2 hours before using it or loading contents.
Or you can keep it on 24/7 and not worry about the power consumption, which is only 35 watts.
So go ahead, enjoy the benefits of a very cool product today.